What is going on, guys? We are back with another video here. We're gonna do some, y'all may call it Instapot ribs, but I don't have an Instapot. That's a name brand. I have a Emerald Gussie pressure cooker. Just y'all, it's just straight up pressure cooker. Just call it a pressure cooker. These gonna be some pressure cooked ribs. These are pork St. Louis style spare ribs. I was gonna get baby back, y'all, but didn't have any more baby back, so I got these spare ribs. What you gonna need yourself here, this is gonna be a good rub, y'all. This a rub. So one thing I forgot, I always forget something. This here is a teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika. You gotta have that. Smoked. 2 teaspoons of coarse salt. 2 teaspoons black pepper. Half cup brown sugar. Light brown, dark, it don't matter, whichever one you want. And also I'm fixing to get some honey. And I'm gonna rub that honey on this rib so this can adhere to it. In layman terms, so it can stick to it. Some people might be like, what is adhere? Alexa, what is adhere? You know, but that's what it means. Let's get going. Alright, my guys, this is how I like to season meat. In most cases, I like to season in this sink. People like, ugh, in the sink, that dirty, nasty. Yeah, it is. It is horrible, filthy. So, what I would like to do is take some kind of cleaning agent here. This is an antibacterial cleaner. Give it a little misty mist. Alright. You don't have to go that far, but I do. Alright. And we're going to take bleach. We wash everything in bleach pretty much here. Get that sink nice and coated with that bleach. Wash your sink out. And I'll be back after I get this sink washed out. Now that this sink is clean, y'all, give your ribs a little wash down here. Just a little wash down. Alright. Right here we good. See this right here, y'all? This little shiny film? It's membrane. Get that light on. We gotta get this membrane off. And you found a way to get up under it, which luckily I already got a piece out. And I didn't do this. It's like somebody knew. And once you get you it's slippery now, y'all, so once you get you a good piece that you can really grab to, you take your paper towel and you grab it. And start separating it like so. This if you won't fall off the bone ribs. You do not have to remove this. But if you want that fall off the bone, this is going to do it for you. Yeah, there we go. See that, y'all? Somebody will eat that, I guarantee. Not me. Not me. Alright, now I'm going to take a couple more of these paper towel joints. I want to dry this dude off. Pat them dry. Pat them dry. It's a nice little rack, y'all. About 30 feet long, ain't it? Yeah, about 30 feet. Where's my dough? Alright, y'all. go get that honey that I said I forgot to get. Okay, y'all, I got my 100% pure crystallized honey. You're not trying to just soak it down in honey either, y'all. This is just actually something to rub on. It give it a little flavor as it go, but it's just something to rub on and make your rub hold on a little bit better. You really don't have to pay too much attention to the bottom side, y'all, but I do. Just it's just a thing for me. So you get that on the top, side, bottom, all that. Like I said, you do not have to put this on the bottom. You really don't have to do nothing to the bottom. But I like to be covered, y'all. I like to be covered. And see, it ain't all honeyed out, but it's got honey rubbed all over it. Now I'm finna show y'all this. I'm gonna wash my hands off right quick and get this rub together for you. Okay, to the rub station. Uh-oh. I think I need to use something else. This is gonna be too harsh. Yeah, it's gonna be a little too harsh for that. So I use old forky fork, y'all. Trusty fork. Mix all these ingredients in here. You can do it all at once, especially if you got a bigger bowl than I'm using, because I should have put them in something bigger instead of me making the biggest mess that can be. But I like to put my stuff in one at a time and watch color change, and that lets me know that everything's been mixed of that flavor instead of throwing it all together. And what this technique I'm doing right here by twisting this bowl around as I'm throwing it to the middle, that's actually called folding. And you take what's in the middle and kind of throw it back over. Why did that stick? I'm gonna be short on ingredients, y'all, how much I got on the countertop. And as you can see, it almost still looked the same as it did in the beginning until I add that smoked paprika. So we'll come back to that. And that is your homemade dry rub. Smells like corn chips, actually. Alright. You want about a teaspoon of this liquid hickory liquid smoke. You want about a teaspoon of it. It don't take much. I call it like when I see it. Like, that ain't right yet. You know what I'm saying? This is what's gonna give you that outdoor hickory barbecue flavor. This is for when you don't want to go to that grill, that smoker, and be waiting 3-4 hours. Couple few minutes right here. Okay. Then we're gonna get a cup of apple juice or apple cider. 1 cup. Not touching the ribs, y'all. Forgot to tell you, gotta have your trivet in there. You don't want to touch it. There is recipes where you can make it full up to almost covering them all the way up. it'll work pretty much the same because it'll pull all that juices in and do its little magic. And with marinating and brining and all that on these ribs, forget about it. You're pressure cooking it, y'all. So therefore, straight in the pot. You can marinate if you want to, but if that's how you feel, but you take this rub, put it on here, and once it get in that pot and all those juices get it doing what it do, it's gonna pressurize that meat and pull all the juices inside. Come on now, break up. It may seem like you got too much, but you don't. When you get it on here, you're gonna want it almost like you putting panko breadcrumbs. Like I said, you don't have to do nothing to the bottom side, but I like to. Sides, bottom, all that, I like to do it. Some people like eating fat and sucking on bones and everything, and that will also be right up their alley when you have it like that. Now I tell y'all, when this come out the pot, it's gonna be super ugly. They gonna be gray. They gonna be gray and ugly. It look better now than it's gonna look when it come out the pot. So get everything all coated up, and we can move on to the next step. All right, now we got the ribs over here to the pot. We're gonna fold them with the meat on the inside. Look, fat part down so we can hold up, y'all. But we want the meat on the inside, the bone to the back. Therefore, all that steam that's gonna be coming through can hit it a little bit better versus laid on side the wall. Then put your lid on, and we go in the pressure setting. Now, if this was an Instapot, as I say, it'll have you saying, "Oh, put your little pressure on to this high, low, blah blah blah." This dude here is the bomb. It's the bomb. This here's the one that they use worldwide, from Tokyo to Japan to Atlantis. I went to Atlantis one time when we was under the sea, and they had like these things were up under there, man. They was cooking all kinds of stuff under the sea. And I went inside the volcano. They had the little guys in there cooking. You have to just get you one. I ain't trying to promote nobody now. If you know, okay, I'm gonna set this to beef because it is not really gonna be beef because I'm gonna set it up. Come on now, Tim. Come on now. Timer, we're gonna set it for if it was baby back, y'all, it'd be 25 minutes. Since these are the spares, I'm gonna do it for 35 minutes. Oh, I'm totally on another level, y'all. I'm thinking of Tim. We right, we good, we good. 35 minutes, y'all. And you're gonna have fall off the bone ribs in 35 minutes. Promise you. Y'all, it's been quite a few minutes now. See, it's still on 35. The thing with these is, there we go, we're moving now. They have somewhere around a 10-minute preheat stage. And that preheat stage is actually helping it slowly do its thing. Even when I'm done, I can release the pressure, but I'm not. What I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna let it automatically just cool itself down for a little bit before I finish my little roll there, you know. All right, check this out. I already know I said I was gonna let it do a warm down, cool down on its own, but I know how these things work, so it's counting it down. But I'm gonna go ahead and release the steam manually. I'm gonna go ahead and release it manually and get this going. It's hot, y'all. Let me show you something. So this is what we do. See. I really don't want that everywhere. And that ain't nothing but yummy smell coming out, y'all. Let's let this go down. Okay, y'all, you're gonna need yourself a couple pair of tongues for this one. One pair ain't gonna do, you really need 3. In most cases, you need at least 3. And you wanna open this away from you in case steam comes out like that. Won't get you in the face. Let's get some room to work with. Yeah, okay, let's see if I can get this off, y'all, without it falling apart. That's why you need 2, at least 3. Bones already falling in the pot, y'all. Ah, man. Did y'all see that? Did you see that? Do you see that? Bones just fall off. Let's put these out of the way. That's why I say fall off the bone. And this is what they look like. That's after 35 minutes. Let's just say, let's round up to 40. 40 minutes of cooking versus 3 hours. Alright, what we're gonna do here? We're gonna use this. This is the go-to barbecue sauce right now. Gonna put enough on there, generous amount. Alright. Do a little spread. I got some hungry people now right now waiting on this. They waiting like dogs at the table, y'all. I was getting harassed too. That's why I didn't do the automatic cool down by itself. I can wait, but hey, if you got people waiting on goodness, yumminess, can't let them wait too long. They call themselves getting unhungry. You know I gotta put that cracked pepper. Now what you want to do, you're going to put this in the oven on broil for about 5 minutes. Let it crust up. If you follow that process, that's the product you end up with. Y'all, I really don't even have to use this knife. Let me tell you something you can do here. You can take this and you can cut. Matter of fact, I'm going to show you something right quick. Let me get me old something to put this on right quick. If any of you out there like McRibs from McDonald's, you don't need that no more. Alright, we're gonna go with this right here. We're gonna go with this little piece right here. Where's that bone at? I'm hitting it somewhere. Trying to cut the bone in half, right? Get off of there. Alright. Check this out. If you want a McRib, wait a minute. Come on now, don't embarrass me here now. Come on now, you getting embarrassing now. Come on now. Now you got your boneless rib. You slap that dude on some bread, and you got your McRib. Or whatever your name is, Jack Rib, whatever. But to let y'all know that, hold on, let me get something right quick.